be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now let's go ahead and bring the box in. All right, let me not show you all my dress, but let's go ahead and bring them in. As you can see, boom. All right, this is a pair of Clark's Originals. All right, get this box out of here to the side. All right, Clark's Original box. All right, I got these from Lapstone and Hammer, and the retail on these shoes is $220. All right, I'll go ahead and show you the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. The retail is $220, but Lapstone and Hammer was having what I believe to be a Cyber Monday or Cyber Week sale or Black Friday. They were having a sale for the holidays, and it dropped the price from $220 to $150. I said, I'll do that. I'll do that for these shoes. I'll do that. So receipt for all the receipt boys, put that back in the box. But if you follow my channel, you know that this isn't the first time that I've had this similar model. All right, so this one right here that I have in the background, this is a Clark's Lockhill. All right, and this is in the ink blue colorway. Very dope shoe. I've reviewed this shoe. If you haven't seen that, go check out the previous video. All right, very comfortable shoe. I have worn it. But very comfortable shoe. All right. I also have this one. All right. I forget what the name of this one was. What was the name of this one? It's on the. This is a Ronnie Fieg. This is the Ronnie Fieg Sanford. This is the Sanford right here. This one is very dope. The materials on this, amazing. Amazing. And then they give you all kinds of extras on this one. All right. And then what most of you who are familiar with the Clark's name and brand, what most of you are probably used to are the Wallabies. All right, this is what, you know, originally got me into the Clark's brand, the Wallies with the gum bottoms. All right, quality shoe, Clark's Originals, the Wallies, man. You listen to some Wu-Tang, you know what I mean? You hear Ghostface talking about these all the time. So that's actually what got me onto the Clark's brand, listening to Ghostface. I had to get me a pair of Wallies. I had me a few different pair now. All right, but back to the shoe at hand. These are the Clark's Lockhill. Colorway is Oxblood combination. All right. Now, what I did differently on this one is I went with a size 13 instead of the 14 that's on this one, because I kind of felt like this one was just a tad bit long. So I said, let me go down to a 13 and see if that fits better for these. All right. Boom. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Heavily wrapped. That is not the, you know what? Let me grab the other one. There we go. Oh, super plastic on it. Oh, that plastic sticks to that gum bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clean colorway right here. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. These are the Clark's Lockhill, all right? Oxblood colorway. Man, you can probably tell just by looking at it right now that the materials on these bad boys is ridiculous. Ridiculous. And the comfort level, look how thick the gum bottoms. Oh man. Look how thick. Look even at this piece here. Just look at that piece. Look how thick that is. This is a lot of the gum bottom, man. And nothing but that suede on the top there. Man, oh man, oh man. Look at the... People sleep, man. People sleep. These are quality sneakers. And, I mean, they're worth the $220 price tag. They're definitely worth that. But to get these for $60 off? $70? Yeah, $70 off. I mean, tax pushed it back up like $10, but you get what I'm saying though. Going from $220 to $150. This is a steal, man. As you can see, it comes with like regular kind of cream laces, like a lighter white color lace. And then it comes with the other kind of oxblood and cream laces, the rope kind of laces. So they have the flat white laces and then the combination rope laces. All right. Now we got the Clark's logo here on the side. It's right here. It's light. I know you probably can't see that, but there's a Clark's logo here. And then if we, let me go ahead and bring out the laces, undo the laces, boom. Slide that extra pair off, just in case you guys couldn't see that good. Boom. Put those to the side. But if you undo the laces here, you'll see Clark's Originals there at the top on the tongue. Let's take the paper out. And then on the inside, you have the Clark's logos there. You can see that all going on the insole there. That Clark's Originals logo is it's in gold, so you might not be able to see it, but it's right there in the middle. All right. On the back of the tongue, you have your sizing chart there. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Tongue, good and comfortable. Feels like a good quality shoe. Let's compare the sizing. Yeah, I think that's just what I would need, man. I think that's just what I would need. Just a hair smaller. Not very much, but these are cool. You know, they're not like flopping around or anything, but I wanted to see how a 13 felt in these because the materials are so soft and it's not a stiff material where you would want to go up to a size, a bigger size just for comfort. Like, it's a thinner material too. Man, look at that. I might have too much light on here, but look at the perforated toe box there. Very nice. Very nice. But I do need to show you guys the right boy real quick. So let's go ahead and bring it out. Right shoe second. Now on the right shoe, it's pretty much identical, but it does have these tags. Now let me see if I can, let me rip this off. Boom, okay. So you do have the Clark's tags on the right shoe. Clark's tag there, and then the Clark's logo tag there. Did I mention that they have a pull tag in the back? Help you get your shoes on, pull tag there. That says Clark's England established 1825. That's what the logo on the side. It's a little bit better of a print on this one as opposed to on the right, or the left shoe, excuse me. FSC certified natural rubber crepe sole. The rubber sole of this shoe has been sourced from well-managed Forest Stewardship Council certified forest. Okay, so this is that legit 100% crepe here on the bottom. I know we all say the gum bottoms, but this is that crepe sole. All right. So you know what we gotta do now, man? We gotta take these bad boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet. All right, and I can already tell you it's a lot better in a size 13 than it is a 14. All right, so here is my big toe for reference, and it's right before the edge of, you know, the toe box area. So it's a great fit. Great fit. Comfort level, it's outstanding. It feels great. Alright. Well, I'm trying to show you at all angles. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Look at the front. Look at the front tip. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Definitely a dope shoe. Something different. You know, we all get lost in our Jordans and Adidas and Nikes, but if you want something that's a little bit different that not everybody else is gonna have, check out some of these Clark's Lockhills. You know what I mean? Clark's Lockhills, amazing comfort, great quality for the price that you're gonna spend on the shoe. You can't beat the quality. I know sometimes we look at the leather of Jordans, or oh, these Yeezys have the boost or the ultra boost and all that. The quality of the materials of these shoes make them worth it. All right, so I would highly recommend you check these shoes out based off of the quality of the material. Like, look at this shoe. Look at the shoe quality. Look, if I brush, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. My only complaint that I have with this shoe, my only complaint, and it's the same across the board with this kind of bottom, is that after you wear them, they're gonna start looking like that. That crepe material, the gum bottoms, they get dirty really quick. I mean, I know when you wear your shoes, you're gonna get them dirty, but that crepe material, you can't like scrub it out either. It's just like that. That's the only thing. But at the same time, it's the bottom of the shoe. It's not like it's the top or anything. It's the bottom of the shoe. So that's the only thing I would say is difficult with the shoe. Beyond that, I highly recommend them, man. These are available at Lapstone and Hammer. These are available on the Clark's website. All right, and you may still be able to find a sale for them. So if you see them, I recommend them. These are a dope shoe. All right. There's also an orange and brown colorway, kind of like where the Oxblood color here. There's like an orange one, like a burnt orange colorway. So check those out as well. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.